Looking to transform your small garden into a stunning outdoor haven? Welcome to Relax Gardens, your go-to space for creative garden design ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring garden tips. And drop a comment to tell us your favorite design. Let's make your garden a charming retreat. Artistic stone designs can completely elevate your garden fences, turning simple boundaries into works of art. Using textured or patterned stones adds depth, character, and elegance, making your garden feel both inviting and unique. Whether you choose bold geometric shapes or flowing curves, artistic stone fences blend functionality with beauty effortlessly. Pebble mosaic fences are perfect for adding texture and personality to your outdoor spaces. Arranging pebbles in creative patterns creates visual interest and enhances the natural vibe of your garden. This technique is ideal for small gardens, offering a budget-friendly way to infuse charm and uniqueness into your outdoor boundaries. Modern stone walls give your garden a sleek, contemporary edge. Smooth finishes, minimalist layouts, and clean lines create a striking backdrop for plants and outdoor furniture. This style works particularly well in small spaces, combining elegance with practicality while maximizing visual impact. Rustic stone fences add a timeless, earthy feel to your garden. Pairing these fences with complementary landscaping, like shrubs, wildflowers, or climbing plants, creates a harmonious outdoor space. Rustic designs are perfect for gardeners seeking a cozy, countryside-inspired aesthetic, even in compact garden areas. Stonecraft are perfect for small gardens, allowing you to add personality without taking up too much space. From miniature stone sculptures to handcrafted borders, these pieces create focal points and enrich your garden's overall aesthetic. Clever stone placement can transform any compact area into a cozy, visually appealing retreat. Combining stone art with colorful flowers instantly enhances your garden's charm. Stone sculptures, stepping stones, or decorative walls paired with blooms bring texture, color, and a playful, artistic vibe to even the tiniest outdoor spaces. It's a simple way to make your garden feel magical and inviting. Thank you for watching Relaxed Gardens. We hope these stone design ideas inspire you to make your small garden truly special. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. And leave a comment to tell us which idea you're excited to try. See you next time for more creative garden tips.